In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable attendee unmuting in Microsoft Teams meetings. If you want more control over background noise and interruptions during a meeting, this setting can be very useful. It helps presenters keep the meeting organized by preventing attendees from turning on their microphones themselves. Let's walk through exactly where to find this option and how to switch it off. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to your calendar. This is where all of your scheduled meetings are listed. Once you're in the calendar view, look for the meeting where you want to change the microphone permissions. Next, click on that meeting to open it. Make sure you choose the correct event, especially if you have several meetings scheduled close together. Opening the meeting will let you access its details and settings. From there, click on Edit. This takes you into the meeting setup screen where you can make changes to the event after it has already been created. If you don't immediately see all available settings, don't worry. Some options are grouped into additional menus inside the edit view. Now, look for meeting options and click on it. This area contains the more advanced controls for how participants interact during the meeting. It's where Microsoft Teams lets organizers manage permissions, like who can bypass the lobby, who can present, and in this case, microphone access for attendees. Once you're in meeting options, find the toggle labeled Allow Mic for Attendees. Turn that toggle off. When this setting is disabled, attendees won't be able to unmute themselves during the meeting. This can be especially helpful for presentations, webinars, training sessions, or any meeting where you want to reduce interruptions and keep audio under control. One important thing to know is that this option may only be available if your account includes the right plan or premium features. So if you don't see the setting, it may be related to your Microsoft Teams subscription level or your organization's meeting policy settings. After making the change, double check that the toggle remains off before leaving the page. That way, you can be confident the setting has been applied to your meeting. And that's it. You've now updated your Microsoft Teams meeting so attendees are not allowed to unmute themselves. This is a simple but powerful setting that can make larger or more structured meetings much easier to manage.